Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to change your Ford Explorer key fob battery. First, ensure you have a new CR2450 3-volt coin battery ready. You will also need a small flathead screwdriver or a similar prying tool. This simple battery replacement typically takes less than 5 minutes, making it a quick and easy DIY task. Let's get started right away. To begin, locate the small release button on the side or back of your key fob. Press this button and slide out the emergency key. Next, look for a small slot where the emergency key was removed. Carefully insert your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. Gently twist or pry to separate the two halves of the key fob casing. Once the key fob is open, you will see the old coin battery. Take a moment to observe its orientation, noting which side is facing up. Use your small screwdriver to gently pry out the old battery from its compartment. Now, take your new CR2450 battery and insert it with the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, facing upwards. Make sure it sits firmly in place. With the new battery in, carefully align the two halves of your key fob casing. Press them firmly together until you hear them snap securely into place. Finally, slide the emergency key back into its slot at the bottom of the fob. Test your key fob to ensure it's working correctly. For more ways to upgrade your home, check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.